Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a special part of my daily routine here at the office. Putting an espresso shot using some exceptional bean from Ethiopia. As you can probably already know, Ethiopian's coffee beans are known for their unique and vibrant flavors. So for starter today, I'm going to use 19 grams to a grand centi of 8, since this is my first brew, to get the gist of how it flows out. After grinding, I distribute the coffee evenly in the filter using my distribution tool. The black one is a needle distribution tool, and I use a force tapper. As you can see here, I'll use a part string for cleaner espresso pool. Some people dip it in hot water, some people use it just as it is. So how do you guys usually use it? Here I'm splitting it into 2 cups, and I'll get around 18 to 90 grams each cup. When I started pooling, I usually wait for the pressure to reach halfway and not to have it too fast to the 10 bar, so I slow it down and slowly open the valve, to reach 9 bar and above. This result for me has been good. Have you guys tried any other technique? My thoughts here is the flow is still quite fast and I want to grind it finer, but from here I'll continue to steam the mill and do the latte art. Going to start with 2 love, the most basic one. It's been a while, so let's see how it goes. Enjoy. Well, that's not a good steam from me. Lots of bubble, not a smooth milk. Let's see how it is. I poured too much on the bottom half, resulting the love is not exactly on the middle. As you can see from this as well, that there's a lot of bubbles on the surface. Now let's try my second steam. As you can hear from the noise, it's a better steam process by me, a better result in more creamy, more stable steam milk. Here we go. The early part of the process where you try to mix the milk into the espresso, I didn't do quite a good job, but I'm really loving the heart that resulted in pouring a bigger heart more on the middle of the cup. Here's I started second pull and I adjusted the grind setting and not much else, but yeah, I did try a Rosetta latte art. Any question, any comments, please do write down and enjoy the process.